Good morning, dear children. Children, so far we have dealt with in our previous modules the agriculture and the various crops grown in our country, as well as the features of the agricultural system of our country. Next, we'll discuss about the agricultural system prevalent in America. Children, by discussing the various features of the farming system in our country, it enables us to know the advantages and the disadvantages of the agricultural system in our country. Next, we'll discuss the merits and the demerits of the system prevalent in America. The first feature of the agriculture system in America is there the farmer works like a businessman and not like peasant farmer. Children, what it means? It is actually a commercialized farming rather than a subsistence farming. That is, it is more profit oriented one rather than for mere consumption purposes. They aims to make more and more profit from the agriculture. That is the first feature of the agricultural system in America. The second one is the average size of a farm is much larger. So if we compare with the farming size of our country, that is much larger than our country. The third one is the farm size in America is about 250 hectares. So children, please imagine the size of the what? Yes, that is the farms. It is about 250 hectares it is actually. So it is that much large in size. And advocate measures are taken to control the pest that can damage the crop. See children, we know that if we perform this agricultural activities, we have to take the proper measures to control the pest. Yes, proper pest controlling activities should be taken by us to control the pest. Otherwise, it will damage the crops. That is the fourth feature of the farming system in America. The next one is from time to time they send the soil sample to a soil testing laboratory to check whether the nutrients are sufficient or not. So children, we know that for the sufficient growth of the crops, the soil is a prerequisite factor. So to test the fertility of the soil, they used to send the samples of the soil to ensure the fertility of the soil. And thereby that results helps them to plan the fertilizer programs. And their computer is almost linked to the satellite, which gives them a precise picture of their field. This helps them to use chemical fertilizers and pesticides wherever they are required. So children, by checking the samples of the soils, it helps them to ensure the fertility of the soil, and thereby if some faults have been found, they can rectify by arranging some fertilizer programs. And all the computers are linked to their satellite and that also helps them to give a precise picture of their field. And this helps them to use the chemical fertilizers and the pesticides wherever they are required. This is the fourth feature of the farming system in America. The next one, I told you about the modernization of the agriculture. They also implemented this mechanization of the agriculture, and they have modernized their system. They have used more and more machines such as tractors, seed drills, levelers, combine harvesters and threshers to perform various agricultural operations. Sophisticated machines they have installed to increase the production targets. That is the one feature of their agricultural system. And the last one is the grains are stored in automated storage or dispatched to market agencies. So all these grains are stored in the automated storage, or they dispatch to the market agencies where this proper storage facilities are arranged. So children, these are the various features of the agricultural system of America. So actually they have commercialized their agriculture. How? Through implementing? Yes, that various programs have been implemented by them to ensure the fertility of the soil, to increase the fertility of the soil, and thereby they can rectify their defects in their system. And various machines like tractors, seed drills, levelers, combine threshers, as well as harvesters, which can, yes, reduce the manual labor or the laborers, as well as the, yes, it reduces the cost of performing this agricultural activities. So children, I hope this session related to the explanation of the various features of the agricultural system is precise for you. So thank you children for watching this video.